Jerry Wong. I'm with Dent Repairs Malaysia. This is Jacob.
Hey, hello.
Okay, what we do is we repair dents without respraying. Minor dents that you have on your car body, usually you send for respray. But if you bring it over to us, we will knock it out, push it back at just a fraction of time and a fraction of the cost. I'll show you a video of how it's done, a very basic one. Right, so the dent is done now, and at the same time, at the same day. So usually customers, if they come, they don't have to wait long, just wait for half an hour maybe. Right, so if you have, next time if you have dents like this where you park in a car park and the car next to you accidentally hit, when they open the door, hit the car door, you have these minor dents, don't worry. Come to us, we will fix it for you. Price is very economical compared to respray. Tell your friends about it. We are based in Christchurch. Look up on our Facebook, Dent Repairs Malaysia. Thank you.